police on you. Me go bring the police, you know. No, since you're bad, stay up on the phone. Now you're coward, that's why you hang up.
Finish all the clothes. Look how clothes cheap. Cheap your phone call.
So why you hang up the phone, just speak like a big woman now? Idiot. Why you hang up the phone? If I know you.
Don't call me phone, jump.
Idiot girl. Crosses.
Boy, I didn't even midnight yet and here we go on. Dark your fuck.
Why you hanging up? Why you hanging up? You know my husband wants to speak to you.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want
Patrick, see her. Just come talk to her because you see me now. I'm going to dig off her face, you know. See her.
Maya na short the clothes. Don't call me phone.
Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night. Go suck out your man pussy and call me phone.
Hello.
Stinking boy.
Hello. Oh my God, what is it? Me forgot to on your pussy. No the phone that. Big. Yeah, you gonna stay.
Go continue the call. I got to deal with the blood.
Listen up, baby girl.
Suck out your blood tap. Woman, I call me phone, but nobody with no clothes. Bamba wall.
Baby girl,
Mama, pussy.
listen now, just be civilized, no man. Be civil.